You've seen rubber bands holding papers or wrapping vegetables, but what if I told you they're also a gardener's secret weapon? From perfectly centering succulents to stopping your pots from slipping, these overlooked loops can fix problems you didn't even know had simple solutions. Stay tuned because these 8 clever rubber band tricks might just outsmart your entire gardening toolbox. Centering your cactus or succulent perfectly while potting. Ever struggled to keep your cactus upright while filling the pot? Try this. Stretch 2 rubber bands across the diameter of the pot to form a crisscross. Place your cactus on top and pour the soil in. It holds the plant steady right in the center. No more leaning or lopsided potting. Stop pots from sliding or toppling, especially with kids or pets around. If your spider plant or aloe vera pot keeps slipping off shelves, wrap 1 or 2 thick rubber bands around the bottom. They create just enough grip to prevent slips on smooth surfaces, keeping your plants safe from accidental bumps. Label seedlings like lettuce or tomato without messy tags. Tired of soggy paper tags or too many plastic labels? Use color-coded rubber bands instead. Wrap them around your seedling pots, green for lettuce, red for tomato, yellow for marigolds. Keep the color legend in your notes and your setup stays clutter-free. Create a DIY greenhouse effect for delicate seedlings like basil. Want faster germination for basil or coriander? Place a clear plastic sheet over the pot and secure it with a rubber band. It traps heat and moisture like a mini greenhouse. Make an instant flower bouquet. Running late for a birthday or dinner party? Grab some flowers from your garden, group the stems and tie them together with a rubber band. It's a simple way to create a charming, homegrown gift in seconds. Hold grafted plants like roses or citrus together securely. Grafting needs steady pressure for the scion and rootstock to fuse properly. Wrap a rubber band around the joint. It's stretchy enough to keep things tight, but soft enough not to bruise. When you see new growth, it's time to gently remove the band. Propagate cuttings of Pothos or monstera in a mason jar with ease. Want to root your Pothos or monstera cuttings in water? Place rubber bands across the top of the mason jar to form a grid. Slide your cuttings through just so the nodes touch the water. The leaves stay dry and the roots start growing. Simple, clean, and effective. Who knew rubber bands could be your secret gardening weapon? Try these tricks today, and if you learn something new, hit like, subscribe, and turn on that bell. You don't want to miss what's coming next in your plant journey.